Hey you guys, Tim and Shauna in the middle of a snowstorm. As they say, neither rain, nor sleet, nor snow, nor gloom of night will keep this jumper from her appointed rounds. Paraphrasing. So, yep, it's middle of winter, getting lots of snow, and you might be thinking, oh man, I'm just gonna wait till spring to jump, but you'd miss this great opportunity. So if you're gonna jump in the snow, here's a quick tutorial. Shauna's first of all got her Neos on. Those are overshoes, great for keeping your feet dry. She is making a more compact spot for herself to jump in. She's gonna want to kick that snow around, and in this case we've got some artificial turf underneath. You may not have that luxury. You may have ice. Just make sure you're feeling stable and steady, your ankles are good to go, and your rope is warmed up, because if your rope is really stiff, then it's not going to be a fun experience. And she's got her spot now. She's got her gloves on. You can see that snow kicking up, so this is a lot of work. I'm going to try to track her here. There you go. Basic balance. Don't get frustrated if you miss. It's going to be a little bit tougher for breathing, so it's going to be a cardio challenge. It's super fun though, and you can do this with you know, your family or friends. Yep, pretty awesome. You have to gauge, woo! You have to gauge the difference between your regular sneakers and having boots on, and all kinds of different stuff that you have to figure out. But we think it's worth it. Get some good exercise, be outdoors, fresh air, and have some fun, guys, right? That's the most important thing. Alright, so quick recap. Keep your feet dry, warm, have your rope warmed up, safe spot to jump in, careful of the ice. You do what you can do. You can also run around between jumps and keep yourself warm. And there she goes. There's nothing better, I'm telling you. And we've had a lot of snow this year, so if we weren't willing to go outside and jump in the snow, we'd be stuck indoors. All right. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye.